I yawned after reading the word yawn. Now, you watching this video, feel free to yawn as well. Have you ever been sitting in a social gathering and suddenly one person yawns, and then you notice that the entire crowd suddenly yawns? This is what happens. Yawning is very contagious, and scientists try to explain why it happens. When you see someone yawn, your brain automatically mirrors the action and sends it to a part of your brain which is called the mirror neuron system. It is the mirror neuron system of the brain that enables people to understand how people feel and how they understand. Now, interestingly, the mirror neuron system is linked to empathy, and that is why you see people who are so empathetic are more likely to yawn when they see others yawn. For example, if you have your friend and then the friend yawns and you're that kind of person that you're so empathetic, you'll also yawn. What shocked me the most was that this does not only apply to humans, but it applies to animals as well. Animals like dogs, chimpanzees, and even some species of monkeys do have the mirror neuron system, which is in their brains, that automatically mirrors the yawning process and makes them to imitate it. Now be sincere. You watching this video, how many times did you yawn because of the word yawn? Tell me in the comment section.